How to adjust WhatsApp call volume. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you adjust WhatsApp call volume. So let's get started. First, as you have to just do a settings for your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on sounds and haptic. From sounds and haptic, tap and turn it on for the options like change with buttons. After you turn it on, you can simply increase or decrease your call volume level with using your phone button. After you made the setting, you'll have to open WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, you'll have to just open any conversation from where you want to make a call. After you open the conversation, at the top right, tap on call icon. Okay, after you are in the call, you can simply adjust the volume level of your call by simply pressing your volume up or volume down button. Simply, you'll have to use the volume up or volume down button. And that's it. This is the method to adjust WhatsApp call volume. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.